Hello, guys. Welcome back with the Second puzzle, a two-star Sudoku. In the additional, not in today's newspaper. No, today's Wednesday, November the 17th. No, it's in the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's November the 16th, 2021 edition. We have three puzzles left. I've just solved the one star. It's time for the two-star Sudoku now. Then I will do a tectonic and a binary. So three puzzles left, and the second one is a two-star Sudoku number 3699. Yes, 3699. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. Correct. And for two-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes. We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 8. We have a 9 and 8 in the first column, so no 9 and 8 in these three boxes. The 9 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the 3 in this row, the 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 2. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in the last column. 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4, all right. Okay. And then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see a 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And we have a pair, 1 and a 3 in this column, 1 and a 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, alright. The 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then. How about 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, we see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Same like here, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only 3 boxes left for the 9 should be in those 3 boxes. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, no, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked earlier with in these 2 boxes with a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in the last row. Oh, wait. Now we have a 6 there. This box can be 6 anymore, that box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, so 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, could be happen sometimes. And is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.